Hi guys, my name is Michael, and today instead of Peter I'll be doing the pre-non-farm payrolls technical and fundamental analysis for you. So let's get straight to the topic. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, let's talk about a little bit about the fundamentals. So guys, let's check the numbers, the forecasts, and for unemployment rate is forecast is the 10.5%. The previous reading is 11.1. The non-farm payrolls is 1,600,000. The forecast new jobs created, and the previous reading was 4,800,000. And guys, to be fair with you, to be honest with you, my opinion is that since we have the information that the stimulus checks and the unemployment benefits are, the government is still willing to extend those programs. So I think the slightly improvement of new jobs in creating new jobs and the falling unemployment rate is, I think it is very, in my opinion, very accurate forecast because guys, the people, despite the whole situation, despite the lockdowns, despite the bailouts, people still have the money. People still have the money to spend, and they are spending. So there are businesses that are reopening, and I think this is the main reason why we will see. I think we will see those numbers. So I think this will be even though it will be slightly improvement. For example, for non-farm payrolls. For example, compared to the previous reading was 4,800,000, and the forecast is 1,600,000. But it will be clear signal that there is some improvement, and I think the market will be at least a little bit bullish on dollar. And it is the end of the week, so we have the good opportunity to go against the trend from the recent weeks, we could say. So let's dive in straight to the charts, and let's start from the euro-dollar currency pair. Oh, I have already drew something here, but let's start from the D1 one-day time frame, and from this perspective we can clearly see that euro is heavily overbought, and right now the euro buyers are covering longs. They are taking profits, since we have this strong resistance on these levels. And adding to the situation with the non-farm payrolls, the predictions, in the short term we should see some decline, some correction on this currency pair, and the correction will depend, of course, heavily on the reading. If it will be much more stronger reading, then the correction will be stronger, and if the reading will be more like the one we have in the forecast, the correction should appear, but not as strong. So guys, let's switch to the 4-hour time frame, and let's see what we are looking for. Let's draw some lines again. Let's mark this channel in which we are right now. Something like this. And guys, what I will be looking for is breakout of this trend line. Of course, the taking profits is based not only based on this strong resistance line, but also that it is a pre-non-farm payroll. So traders are reducing the risks right now. And breakout of this trend line, probably some swing downward, and the levels what I'll be looking at looking for will be 116.85. That will be the first take profit. No, maybe let's correct it a little bit. Somewhere more over here. Sorry, 1.1733. That's the first one, first take profit. And the second, if the movement will be stronger, maybe not today, maybe on Monday, we will see something like 1.1586. So yeah, and of course, if you go to the lower time frame, it is also accurate. If you look for the swing on the H1 or even M30 time frame, but still it needs to be clearly broke the line, small pullback, and again that would be ideal scenario to look for swing downwards on the pullback on this trend line. So let's go, for example, on other currency pair. Let's go for pound dollar. Again, 1 day time frame, and you can clearly see, guys, that compared to euro, the pound is way more weaker against the dollar. And the move also, I think, if the reading will be as I am expecting, as the market is expecting, and should be stronger compared to the euro, because also we have yesterday we had the information from the Germany, from the manufacturers, from the manufacturing orders, which were very good reading, which provide the support for the euro. And again, but if you are looking for maybe bigger moves, you should switch maybe also, or diversified it also on the pound dollar currency pair. And again, as you can see right now, we are on this resistance line, very strong, and move downward I would be looking towards 1.2678, and also, like I said, something like swing downwards. And even right here it looks a little bit like swing. Maybe we should take some trade. What do you think, guys? 0.05. Let's make a sell, and we should see next time on the next on the next episode, on the next video. That's all for the pound dollar. Okay, guys, let's switch now to the USD JPY, also day 1 time frame, and it looks very pretty to me. We have this swing right here, and it is on the support, guys. As you can see, very strong support. It made this swing long and on day 1 time frame, so it is very strong signal. We have this clear support in these levels. We can even scroll it back. Yeah, as you can see, very strong. Many times market bounced from this level right here. Yeah, of course, was a very big manipulation. Okay, so but let's switch to the current situation. We already also made a pullback in the almost in the half of the range of this swing. So the possibility to go up is, yes, let's measure this swing, and we have 2,276 points. We should enter here, and maybe we would. Let's switch also to 0.05. Let's open the trade, and you can see from the place which we opened the position, we should reach levels 107.85. It's based on day one time frame, so it is very long, and it is a 1-to-1 risk reward. Sorry guys, not 1-to-1, because the stop loss we will set right here, so it is more than 1-to-1. But I will leave the measures to you. We will not do this right here in the moment. We don't have that much time. Let's switch also to the H4 time frame. And maybe the first target which we will be looking for will be around 106.64. Here I will take first maybe 0.02, 0.03. And yeah, depends on the next movement. If we will, probably we will stop here, and what we will see further, move the stop loss higher, and yeah, wait for the take profit for the full range to be covered. So guys, that's it in a nutshell. For the upcoming non-farm payrolls, we covered yeah, three most popular currency pairs: the USD JPY, Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar. We covered the fundamentals and the predictions, and why the predictions are as they are, we can say, guys. And yeah, so from my side, that's it for today. I think we will be seeing each other next time. So yeah, take care, don't be trapped, as Peter would say, and see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.